here we are in front of Chicago's famous Tribune building. Now, it's the Tribune building because it belongs to the newspaper, the Chicago Tribune. De hecho, en vez de decir newspaper, con decir paper, te vale. I'm going to read the paper, voy a leer el periódico. Well, one of the most famous newspapers is the Chicago Tribune. And one of the most famous buildings is the Tribune building. Now, the building in itself is a masterpiece, una obra de arte. But more importantly, it's a huge, tenéis que saber esta palabra, huge. Yo sé que sabéis la palabra enormous, porque es parecido a enorme. But we say huge. ¿Por qué? Porque es más cortito. Vamos a decir enormous, 3 sílabas, cuando podemos decir una, huge. It's a huge building, but it's more than just a building. It's a time capsule. That's right. In fact, inside this building, you'll find pieces of the Taj Mahal, the pyramids, cuidado con la pronunciación, pyramids of Egypt. No es Egypt, it's Egypt. And you'll find pieces of the Great Wall of China, la muralla de China, and my favorite thing, a piece of the moon. Eso es, una roca, a rock from the moon, all inside that building. So, if you're in Chicago, I recommend you check out one of its most iconic landmarks, the Chicago Tribune building.